Today we're taking a look at a motor I've been really excited to get my hands on. This is the new Surpass Rocket V7 and I went for the 17.5T version. For today we'll keep things simple, a quick unboxing and a first look at the build quality, design and some of the new features. The proper performance test on the track will come later. So let's open it up. The V7 comes in a really nice box and everything inside is packed securely. The motor itself sits in a foam insert that keeps it nicely protected during transport. There's also a small moisture-absorbing packet inside to help keep everything dry. Other than that, the package contents are nice and simple. The Surpass Rocket V7 motor, of course, and a sensor cable that's approximately 160 mm long. Now, let's take a closer look at the motor itself. The first thing that immediately stands out is the color. Surpass has gone with a kind of gunmetal grey finish, and I have to say, it looks really good. Like many of the latest generation competition motors, the V7 has a very open design. That gives it a modern and quite aggressive appearance. According to Surpass, they've managed to significantly reduce the weight compared to the previous generation while also increasing performance. How much of a difference that actually makes in the real world is something we'll obviously have to test. But as far as the first impression goes, the build quality looks very good. Another interesting change is the construction of the motor head and sensor plate. On the V7, this assembly is now held in place by screws from the side. I also really like what they've done with the sensor connections. There are two sensor cable ports and each one can be protected with a rubber cap. That means the unused port is nicely protected against dust and dirt. Another detail I really like is the timing scale. It's very easy to read, and I especially like the machined indicator that clearly shows exactly how much timing is currently set. This motor comes out of the box with 30 degrees of timing. It's a small detail, but definitely something that's useful in everyday racing. So, my first impression of the new Surpass Rocket V7 is definitely positive. Visually, I think they've done a great job. The build quality looks excellent, and I really like some of the small design details. But of course, we all know, looking good isn't enough. So I'm really looking forward to getting the V7 onto the track and putting it through a proper test. And the really interesting question will be, how does the Surpass Rocket V7 perform against its competitors? That's exactly what we'll find out in one of the upcoming videos. Do you already own a V7? Or maybe you've already raced one? If so, let me know about your experience in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you don't want to miss the upcoming test, and I'll see you again at the track. Keep racing.